it's saying, hey, what kind of a model do you want, right? Do you want to do principal component analysis? Do you want to do partial least squares or orthogonal partial least squares? Do you want to do a discriminant analysis, the DA? And I have not seen what the difference is, and I don't know what multi-block and hierarchical models. I have not been trained on those, so I'm not really sure what they are. So you'd ask me like what all the algorithms were, but so there's basically 5 sets, right? So I'm going to do this discriminant analysis. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select all of those. These are all my x values. I think I can I do a control A? Yeah, I can do a control A. I could choose to exclude any of these if I want right from here, right? You know, so like if I want the month, I want to exclude that, I can exclude it because I've got the month number in there too, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, if you look, I've got the class as neither good or bad. So like, let's say I want to look at the neithers. Okay, I want to exclude those, right? I want to go find the goods. I want to include those. Okay, I think I hit include. And let's find the bad and include those too. So now I've excluded all the neithers. So, because what I'm really trying to do in a discriminant analysis is get separation between good and bad. Neither is just going to muddy the water. Okay, neither really isn't telling me anything because it's kind of middle of the road. So what I'm really trying to do, and this is why I picked the numbers I did, is because I'm trying to get those numbers different enough where I can get that separation in that 3D space or that 2D space. That's really what I want. Okay? All right, so let's see what's next. All right, so what it's going to do is, hey, there's 680 observations, so 680 rows, okay? And there's 185 x variables, okay, which are the columns, okay, because I've excluded some. Okay, and they're in 3 groups, one of which we've excluded, okay? All right. And so now I'm going to go ahead and do the OPLS DA, okay? I mean, I can do a PLS DA or this one PCAX model. I don't know what that is, but whoops, I'm going to do the OPLS DA because that seems to be one of the most effective ones. And I'm going to choose to go ahead and auto fit it. Okay, as it comes in. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. Now, it's going to say, hey, the year has no values different from the median. I probably should have excluded this column. So you know what? Do you want to exclude? Yes, I do. Okay. Hey, this particular one only has 2 different values from the median. Yeah, might as well exclude it because it's not going to tell me anything. This one only has 2. Okay. This one has 0. This one has 0. That one has 0. So you know what? I'm going to exclude all of those. Okay. So now